беседы вроде бы это тоже. Всегда вот место нет.
There also will be a couple of interviews with volunteers from the Ukrainian side who
Oh, the other thing is that they can't say you went